Welcome to Wild World Wonders, your window into the extraordinary beauty and diversity of our planet's wildlife. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of one of nature's most enchanting creatures, the peacock. Peacocks have captured the imagination of people around the globe for centuries with their extravagant plumage and captivating displays. But did you know that there's much more to these majestic birds than meets the eye? Fact 1. The peacock is actually the male of the species, while the female is called a peahen. Together, they are known as peafowl. That's right. The peacock's extravagant display isn't just for show, it's a vital part of their mating ritual, where males compete to win the attention of females with their stunning plumage. Fact 2. Peafowl belong to the pheasant family and are native to South Asia, but they can also be found in parts of Africa and Australia where they've been introduced. Fact 3. Peafowl are omnivores, feeding on a diet that includes insects, plants, fruits, and small reptiles. Fact 4. The iridescent plumage of peacocks isn't actually colored pigments but is due to the microscopic structure of the feathers that reflects light in various wavelengths. Fact 5. Peacocks can fly, but their flight is limited to short distances and they prefer to spend most of their time on the ground. Fact 6. The iconic tail feathers of a peacock are actually elongated upper tail coverts, not true tail feathers. Fact 7. The term peacock refers specifically to the male of the species, while the term peafowl can be used to refer to both males and females collectively. Fact 8. A group of peafowl is called a party or a muster. Fact 9. Peafowl are highly territorial birds and will vigorously defend their territory against intruders. Fact 10. The distinctive calls of peafowl are used to communicate with each other and establish their territory. Fact 11. The peacock's elaborate plumage is primarily used for courtship displays to attract females. Fact 12. The length and vibrancy of a peacock's tail feathers can indicate its health and genetic fitness to potential mates. Fact 13. During courtship displays, peacocks will fan out their tail feathers, puff up their chests, and strut around in a mesmerizing dance. Fact 14. Peafowl are known for their loud calls, which can be heard from long distances, especially during the mating season. Fact 15. Peafowl are social birds and often roost in trees together at night for safety. Fact 16. Peacocks are opportunistic feeders and will eat a wide variety of foods, including grains, seeds, insects, and small mammals. Fact 17. Peafowl have excellent eyesight and can spot potential predators from afar, using their keen sense of vision to stay alert. Fact 18. Peafowl are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day and rest at night. Fact 19. Peahens are attracted to males with the most vibrant and symmetrical plumage, as it is seen as a sign of good genetic health. Fact 20. The elaborate courtship displays of peacocks can last for hours, with males competing for the attention of nearby females. Fact 21. Peafowl are known to have a lifespan of up to 20 years in the wild, but they can live even longer in captivity. Fact 22. Peacocks are symbolic in many cultures, representing beauty, pride, and immortality. Fact 23. The Indian peacock, Pavo cristatus, is the national bird of India and holds cultural significance in Indian mythology and folklore. Fact 24. The term peacock is derived from the Latin word pavo, which means peacock or male bird. Fact 25. The distinctive train of a peacock's feathers can measure up to 5 feet in length and is primarily used in courtship displays. Fact 26. Peacocks shed their train feathers annually after the mating season and grow a new set in time for the next breeding season. Fact 27. Peafowl are highly adaptable birds and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and agricultural areas. Fact 28. The elaborate courtship displays of peacocks are often accompanied by vocalizations, including loud calls and rattling sounds. Fact 29. The peacock's colorful plumage serves as camouflage in their natural habitat, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Fact 30. Despite their vibrant appearance, peafowl are actually quite shy and will often retreat to cover when they feel threatened. And there you have it, 30 incredible facts that illuminate the splendor of peacocks, only on Wild World Wonders. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery here on Wild World Wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the beauty and diversity of our planet's wildlife. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wild wonders that surround us.